This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are eating healthy, drinking water, and still struggling with constipation, the problem may not be your diet. It may be the type of fiber you are using. That's why two seeds are often recommended for gut health: chia seeds and flax seeds, but most people use them incorrectly. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we will break down the science behind which seed works best for constipation. First, let's briefly understand constipation. Constipation is not just about fewer bowel movements. It can mean hard stools, incomplete emptying, bloating, or straining. Another major cause is inadequate or improperly used dietary fiber. Fiber works only when matched with water and correct preparation, and this is where chia seeds and flax seeds differ significantly. Now here's how chia seeds help relieve constipation. Chia seeds are extremely rich in soluble fiber. When they come in contact with water, they absorb up to 10 times their weight and form a gel-like substance. This gel performs three key functions in the gut. First, it holds water inside the stool, making hard stools softer. Second, it increases stool bulk, which stimulates bowel movement naturally. Third, it feeds beneficial gut bacteria, improving long-term digestive health. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Soak them in a full glass of water for at least 30 minutes or overnight. Drink the mixture in the morning, followed by additional water if needed. Never consume dry chia seeds if you are constipated. Without enough water, they can swell inside the gut and worsen blockage. Chia seeds work best for people with dry, hard stools or dehydration-related constipation. Now hear how flax seeds improve bowel movement. Flax seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, along with natural oils. Insoluble fiber adds bulk and helps push waste forward. Soluble fiber improves stool texture. The oils in flax seeds act as a gentle lubricant for the intestines. This combination makes flax seeds especially useful for sluggish digestion and slow bowel transit. Always use freshly ground flax seeds. Take 1 tablespoon daily. Mix with warm water, curd, or add to meals. Whole flax seeds often pass through the body undigested and provide little benefit for constipation. So, choose chia seeds if your stools are hard, dry, and difficult to pass, and choose flax seeds if you feel incomplete evacuation or slow digestion. For chronic constipation, many people benefit from alternating between chia and flax on different days rather than using both together. Always increase fiber intake slowly to avoid gas or bloating. Drink adequate water throughout the day. If constipation is persistent, painful, or associated with blood, unexplained weight loss, or severe abdominal pain, medical evaluation is essential. Remember that fiber works gradually. Give your gut time to adapt. When used correctly and consistently, both seeds are simple, natural, and science-backed tools for better digestion. The key is not just what you eat, but how you eat it. If you found this breakdown useful, like the video, share it with someone struggling with digestion, and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.